You will love the features of this 2012 Acura TL. With less than 150,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This alluring TL delivers sophisticated luxury and satisfying performance. From its upscale interior to its powerful acceleration and sleek lines, this stylish sedan inspires excitement. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, moonroof, power passenger seat, premium sound system, fog lamps, heated mirrors, satellite radio, aluminum wheels, alarm. Sophisticated style blends with satisfying performance in this sensational TL. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.